Hi, Jerry Street, MarineMax Austin. We're taking a look inside the super clean engine room on this Sea Ray 400 SLX. It's equipped with twin 8.2 Magnum HOs, 430 horsepower apiece, which gives you more than adequate performance with this boat, even if it's loaded up with people. They have about 35 hours on them. They were just serviced by our certified technicians. This boat is closed water cooling. It's easy to winterize. It is also equipped with a Westerbeek generator to run AC and all the other systems while you're out on the water having a good time with family and friends. Thank you for watching today. If you're interested in any of the other features or just want to discuss your boating dreams, please contact me at jerry.street@marinemax.com, or my direct line is 210-639-9801. If you like the video you've just seen, please leave some comments in the comment section below. We'd love to respond with you.